Belaya pi baro kibapet yakini ko kubor jumi upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakongsan jang ko kubor men takata yau kilong. Minjur ke sarkar jela banti live hausan akar ke jaka hatin ring bantai ya ke central jail. Yo jamin presiden bat langut kit ke MCTODA. Enwanra ke sarkar ya ke an bantai lakam ya ke jingkeno mensya no ritlen bat aiksu ong bak polling do. Kecing syak penyap Uraja Raghuvanshi dan sedang ketian bishar Hashilong Court. Gentu UCM ke KHDC ya Deputy Chief Minister ban pelat no ya kepisah ke basan Pokulur bat halor ke Grand MDC Sor. Jureb Menteri Ramba ya ke Jingte ya ke EMRS bat Madan Artificial Turf haam larem. Bat shimbenta shirhem kipai riunget Catholic ha ke procession Eucharist Arajar Alposan kabalong chisin chisnem. Kajing halang jom keken hun menteri kebalai kenduk hakasing toding kala aji menjur bantiet ya kejaka kebalai pausan akar hatin ring New Shillong Township bantai ya ke Central Jail bat kala aji menjuru ban pen kala ya ke rule henriu di jong ke Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules arajar katnyu.
Ha kene kajing halang jom keken hun menteri. Kakanun menteri kala ajung menjur bantiet ya kejaka balai pesan akar hatin ring han New Shillong Township bantai ke Central Jail kenang ban penkeriano ke jail ke badan nakanong ba Shillong. Unong ektian ke sarkar jelau ba wailat miki jelau balong ru menteri sarkar ulong magador jaka balai penbet kahap apdeng ars pa san po tengka shi square feet bat arhajar hendros pa kandai pui tengka shi square meter kabalong hapo kador kabalapan benar ke deputy commissioner kabalong arhajar kandai pa tengka shi square meter. Ulong ba meredap tiat dengan kejakaan sesedang no bantai ya ke Central Jail.
The acquisition of additional land at Tin Ring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate. No, because now we are in the process of acquiring the land. So once we acquire the land, then only we can proceed with the construction.
So this land is purely belong to the private party?
Yeah, private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for I think for police reserve or something.
And this land will solely use for the construction of jail?
Jail, for that I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now as I have been informed that this is for jail.
Kakanun menteri kala ajing menjur ban penkelano eka rule henriu di jangka Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules arajar katnyo balang bakani kejing pengerla sanpo nakasispa kikam group D haki State Ministerial District Establishment and pendapno na pedanginong trade casual kibetre klempat sange. Uba wailat miki shila ulong bakani kejing penkela kan penbet iki kendram kiblas lempha kibami na ki office memorandum beper kawai na kawaipat. Ulitho bagi sarkar kala ajing menjur ban penkela ya ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act arhajar henriu. Bagani ke jemput kela kan penyahap ya ke rukam peniat ke pelatengka ke jela berkara jong ke sarkar India ke ajing bet ke jela ban kentiu ke fiscal deficit naga lain ke sispa syaka lai point san naga sispa jong ke GSDP naga benta ki kam shimram. Nalor kani ke kenuhun menteri kala air kejing menjur bentong biang yu Justice Shivaji Pandey kumu presiden ke Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Uba wailat miki uloong ba kasamay terikam jong Justice Pandey kan kot akan terik una opera arjar repusan bat kat kum ki kendon ki badon ula ban yo biang kasamay terikam basau snem kat kum kerta ke balabo ba ndru punyo snem. Kekenuhun menteri kala paru ika kerteng jeng sangut ki dikot ke commission ki bagentup yo major Unsan bentalang nongsiet rupa Paul Chaudhuri, Nelisa F. Karshiang bat Bijloy A. Sangma. Kakanun menteri kala ajung menjur ke service rules na kebenta ke Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Kaban penla ka commission bakantung yala ka jong ka recruitment board bantum kami kinong tray.
The amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. And the fifth one is the proposal for reappointment of the President of the State Commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the President of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025. And as per rule, the President of the State Commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years, subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey.
Hadin kejing syak set hapatong bat kejing syak pengat hakikan don an halo kejing kenok ban penmi ya ke huri hura hamauring kenang hakse ba arjong katayong u President ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA uba Masklandar Marngar rengkat bat laingut kidkhan kilayo jamin nakayeng kashari bat kilayo mitno National District Jail.
O President ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA uba Masklandar Marngar rengkat balangut kidikot. Hagajan miat jangka katwe trek unai wiang arajar arpusan kilayo jamin naging syari. Bat kilayo ban mi no na Shillong District Jail. Kilangut kidikot ke MCTODA ke beliau jamin ke kentup uba te bor Marngar ba terang bor lengdo beruba hai bor pariat. Ini kisaungut kibala syakem hakasan trek unai wiang nomor kedeng. Kila syakem halor kejing penlong ya kejing ki bat halor ka huri hura ke balam ya kena kathan. Ki pulit kila kem ki halor kejing keno bagi khot ke MCTODA kila kawang mau ki trok ki bawan ki than juga rilum jantia. Bala keno ba kila kata akti bat temu ban ra bor ru ya kinong nya trok. Ki pulit kila pengat ya unong yalam rengkat balangut ki khot ke MCTODA pa ki kendon juga Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act bat ke BNS. Haga kalai terik nai wiang arhajar arpusan. Disebut Menteri Rangba Kejela berkentuk ke ubak Presiden Tensong berubah asnyau balangdhar kelalu megejing yalang beginong yalam jong ke MCTODA ke Jante Hills Truck Owners Association bat ke East Jante Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association. Rengkat beginong yalam jong ke Jante Hills Cement Manufacturers Association bagi try jong ki karkhana penmidu bilat. Habai keren mikilat patai kubor ubak asnyau balangdhar ulong bagi lasya megarai banagaliang kini ki association jong ki try beginong nyatrok bagi try karkhana du bilat bila menjur ban siono ya kendai tengka man ka 10 kilometer na ka shiton ye ki trok na ka bentabar ojat surok kibayat bagi ki du bilat apa uput usam jong ke jelam Meghalaya. Hakabai dai bagi jeng dawak MCTODA ban sio da kejuk kedor habak ki du bilat syaki bagi jela. Ubak asnyau balangdhar ulong baya kedor baik ki du bilat cabar ke jela ka MCTODA kan hap penekeren penbajihi bagi try karkhana du bilat. Peduli itu bagi MCTODA bagi baiki kenhuan kila dawa bagi sorkar kariban manglupa sispa arpo kili gitrok jang gitra jela ban ki du bilat nagi karkhana pendik du bilat. Bat ki try karkhana kilapan Porsche tayo holo kena kejing dawa bat kumta labo tarik ban ye kendok biang haga arpo tarik nai wiang ban ye keren halor kena kejing dawa.
Cement associations and all the 3 transport associations, and the meeting is a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week.
What are the decisions arrived?
The decision we take, number one is we have put the fare is, before it was between 7 to 11 and today we decide only one fare, ₹9 per kilometer. And all the transporters are happy with that. What
This 9 rupees is for all types of roads or
No, for all type of roads, but within Meghalaya.
9
9 rupees per ton per kilometer within Meghalaya.
for all type of roads?
Yes.
What about loading?
Loading.
Because they
No, we didn't talk about loadings. We are talking about rate only. Then it falls accordingly.
So other areas where agreement were arrived at.
You see, within the state of Meghalaya, the same rate will prevail. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer. And the loading or loading is different subjects.
So they were demanding notified roads even outside the state.
No, that is not yet. You see, that is not yet decided. We are decided about the within the state of Meghalaya.
Do they agree or not? This,
No, they are happy. They are agreed.
What about
And beyond the state, within Meghalaya border, and beyond the Meghalaya, so based on them between the transporter and the cement association, they will discuss it accordingly as per the previous market, I think, beyond Meghalaya. The rest is everything is fine. So yes, there is some part is left because we demand 120 trucks per day quota for the local people. So that's little bit stocks. 80 is already done and 100 they are agree. So we are pushing another 20. So the cement associations request time for another 1 week and we will meet again after 1 week. 21st of November we'll sit again.
this rate
but till date,
was
how many trucks from the local are?
That's why we demand 120. As of now it's 80 and we demand 120 and they propose 100. So again they request us 1 week's time from the cement association. So we will sit on the 21st again. We will discuss this matter finally.
U Presiden KMC TODA ubah maslandar merengar ule thua bagaseng gelap diang ya kador baknai tengka man kasi kilometer na kasi ton. Yagi trok ke dubilat bad ulong bagadai namar bagi trai karkhana pinmi dubilat kelaknyot dor palat ada pentrekam ya kador kebah nyau tengka hadok kadwai tengka. Bad ulai kublai ki arngot kisembut menteri rangba kejela ke basyam kia bat snow thua ya kejing ya ajengki. Ule thua bagaseng menta ke abekara ya kebahidai bagajing dawa ban mang sispa arpo kili gitrok jagi trai jela. Ban kit dobilat man lakasni.
The company had come full gun blazing today to enforce the notification passed by the government on 13 on the passed by the government, like giving the 7 rupees per ton minimum to maximum 11 ton. Then from our side, we asked the company in front of the government, our deputy chief ministers, both the deputy chief ministers, that they always want to enforce this rule 7 to 11. Why? Because they want to squeeze us. That will take the lowest rate. Then from our side, we said now till now you are squeezing us at the lowest rate. You're giving us 7 to 11. Why not give us now at the 11 rupees? Because due to according to the times. But after a long discussion, then we said that to avoid all confrontation, if you don't want us to give the 11 rupees per ton, you should fix us a fixed rate. Don't give this rate 7 to 11, because this will give a chance, an open door for them to squeeze the stakeholders who are having trucks, the drivers and the truck owners. So at the end of the day, we are happy with both the deputy chief minister. They understand that problem, that this is a very risky thing to pass. Now in front of the Commissioner of Transport, he had passed within there itself that now they have to fix a fixed rate, that is 9 rupees per ton, not to go by this 7 to 11 rupees. I said, regarding what you said, are you happy? Till date, we are getting the rate, but now we want there's another the point that to be discussed. Since our truck, from time to time, especially our truck, who are locals mean within the state. We when we say local, mean not that we said that we won't allow the truck from outside. Now the truck which is used by the cement factory, their truck and the truck from outside is 2,000, 1,000 per day. But for our truck, they are giving just mere 80 truck per day. That to the Jantil Truck Owner Association and the East Jantil Truck Owner Association. So now 2,000, 1,000 they are loading, 80 truck they are giving to us. You say that, are we happy? We are not happy with that. We are fighting with that. We tell them that you have to upgrade, because coming this side, coming in the state, they set up the factory. mean they have to give us preference first. Preference first. Yeah, we are not saying that we will carry all the goods, they won't carry. But we have, if we get only a mere 120, 200, 300, also we're happy. There is 1800, there is 1700 carried by them, we didn't have any objection. So regarding this thing, the cement factory, in front of the deputy CM, both deputy CM, they said that they will sit a meeting first, and the deputy CM both the deputy CM assure us that on Monday, they should come with a decision.
Katanat social welfare jong ke sarkar jala hakas ngi ba ar jong katayo kala IT yak standard operating procedures SOP kabaterwa ban pentrekam yak an POCSO Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act bat banyada yak jing jong ke shong kha shong man khna lan child marriage bat ke sarkar kadang shong perkhatru ban wan ra no dak an ka ban te lakam yak kam bomman kibami na ki jing no mention no ne no action anti witchcraft lane anti-black magic hakajalla.
Katanat social welfare jong gajala Meghalaya kala IT yaki standard operating procedure SOP baterwa ban pentrekam yakaan POCSO. Ba banyada nak jing jong kashong khana. Badagade la pentep du ba poleng do ubde unong ai bot jong katanat social welfare hading kajing yalang haslong. Hagajunan lang kirurang ba kum ikong yamon lang siem ka agatha ke sangma Superintendent ki pulit uba Vivek CM bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba poleng do ule tho baki SOP ki don mentahu Advocate General jong jela ban bishar bnia. Andalayo ekjing menjur an IT ki yang syari kam tam syaga Meghalaya High Court namar ki mokok duma benang saateng. Uba poleng do ule penpau bagi jing syong kana karang yajah jela bat kam patlong ke an pura Meghalaya. Bon ki borsnong ki ong bagani kadi gerukom tenrai. Sarkar kepenan kami gini gejingelang ban pensotho ikilat jingerap ki badan bercisngi. Ban pentip ki kamrunar persya ki kentai bagi kena. Ki Child Protection Officer bat counselor kin penyar ki program pensotho syakitan nong kendong.
We have to ensure that we work at all. That we actually see to the realization of whatever we are speaking here today. All that we see around us began as a concept, as an idea, as a thought. The chairs we sit on, the furniture around us, the whole, all that we see around us starts as an idea. But to take that idea forward, the concept has to be executed. I therefore look forward to seeing that today's deliberations will meet a logical end, which is that we take this fight for the protection of women's and children's right to their logical end. We have demonstrated as a political leadership a keen interest to ensure that we reach out and maximize the protection of women's and child's rights. The fact that the last meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, which also saw a 4-hour deliberation with a lot of you also being present. That meeting was on the 16th of October, and today, in less than a month, we are here again to take the deliberations and the plan of action forward.
We'll start with that. We have a lot of complaints and grievances of women, and we can kind of categorize them more or less into those who seek for maintenance, many single mothers, as you're aware, and those who separated. I mean, it's really a sad affair because more and more women are coming from maintenance. So you can imagine that there are more single mothers and separated, parents, and children are the ones who suffer. So then even that also can be a challenge, because many times when we try to resolve these cases of maintenance, many of the partners would say that we don't have a proper job. That is very challenging to us, because how are they going to maintain the children and to give? They say, we don't have a proper job, so many of them are seasonal workers and all that. So this is one of the challenges for women. That's why we always have these awareness programs also, to try to ask women to have to be empowered enough to space the children, because the more children, the more challenging it becomes. And especially we have multiple partners also, that's an added kind of, problem for the children as well as the spouses, and for us also, actually. Another kind of cases that come to the Commission relates to domestic violence. And this is something, I think it is a hidden kind of sickness that is part of our society, and I'm sure the world over. But it really bothers us, because we hear, we are privy to all these, the narratives of women. And we hear the abuse that goes on, the silence, that women, accept this violence. It can be verbal, mental, it can be physical, but every time it's the children also who suffer. So this is something that really bothers us. But one thing that recently, there have been quite a few women that have come up, and we asked them who referred you to the Commission and how did you know about it. And the positive side of social media is that they hear about these news, of the women being assaulted and the danger to their lives, and some of them have lost their lives. So they said, maybe this last time that if I'm beaten, then I might die. So in a way, the social media has been like a positive in that way, even though there's some sensationalization of the news, but it is really tragic. And just recently, as you're aware, you heard, I can share this. We went to visit a person, a woman, who was bearing her 13th child, and her husband was still beating her. So we hear a lot of these really very troubling kind of incidences. So we are hoping that not only the Commission, but NGOs, people, activists and the news persons, they often refer to us these cases. And here's a time where I would really like to urge, Ram Ashnong, Sengpantay, people in the locality and the community, not to stay silent. If you hear just a whiff of any kind of violence that takes place in the homes, then please, Nishi on Tukla, but it is not Tukla. It is an intervention which might save a life. So we would urge those in authority and those with not by yourself, but maybe as a group, as a community, in the Sengpantay, in Ashnong, to kind of interview. If you hear of anybody, beating up their wives or children, and there are many, please do an interview.
As a Commission, we have been working and we've been committed to protecting children from 2014 since inception, and the functions of the Commission has been at doing various things. For instance, we function as a court. We have to submit annual reports to the state government. There are many functions, and if you were to go to our website, you would be able to see the active work that the Commission has been doing. Today, I want to specifically, because this is about protection of children and women, I want to specifically focus on what, as a State Commission, we have targeted in this coming year or two to really put our focus on. So, being very concise, I want to focus on two portions of the POCSO Act, which is the Section 43 of the POCSO Act, which talks about public awareness about the Act. basically sensitizing people, sensitizing schools, teachers and children and all various stakeholders about the provisions of the POCSO Act, the importance of knowing about good safe touch, unsafe touch. So the various aspects of sexual assault and exploitation of children under the POCSO Act.
Ka Sarkar Jala kadang syong perkat banwan rano dagaan ke bentelakam yi kambeman ki bami ni jingkeno mensyono nong aik suaj haga jela. Habakran ni kelap patai kobor ba polung do ulakran halo ka jingja badang shen hakle isnong sora hag bagi pulik le dai kelong yeng nang kipat bur bat layo kemru khandai ngut kibriu. Uba polung do ulong bagade kam kebadan kam yang jing selok kepadang ketenat an bat ki Autonomous District Council. Uba polung do ula banjur bakam dai tang Sarkar Jela Mereka Autonomous District Council ru gidan kebentah kebangun rakyat kenekaan lengba kaan jong jela ni deki District Council hi ban pelong an persya ya kini kam.
See, this is a matter that the law department has to apply its mind, because on the one hand we have these various practices which are primordial, very ancient, and at the same time these are not in conformity with the rule of law, whether you talk of the spirit or the letter of the rule of law. Therefore, it is a very pertinent point. What we have noticed so far, though, is that the number of such cases has dwindled over the years, and we are confident that if the need arises for such a law to be in place, it is not only the state government, we also have the autonomous district councils, which also have law departments in those councils, and we will need a law which through consultation with the ADCs we can come up with a state law, or the ADCs themselves are in a position to legislate, and then through the state department, through the state government, get the governor's assent to such legislation. Well, if you recall the latest incident that happened at Shnong Sora, the police in fact acted swiftly, prevented an entire family and their neighbors, numbering around 30, from being lynched. And not only that, 9 perpetrators and instigators of that crime have already been arrested and booked under different sections of the law. That apart, immediately after the incident, the Social Welfare Department stepped in, rescued those families. We took care of them and ensured that they were under safe custody of the Department of Social Welfare. And I'm happy to share with you that it is only yesterday that these victims have gone back to their homes because they felt that now there is complete normalcy and they can return back to their village.
Kaseng National People's Party NPP hakasngi palay jong katayo kalapdiang burom yaw MLA MDC barim kanong krem constituency uba lambor malngyang ubalawan ban pinyaso no bat kaseng NPP hakachihalang kabalalong hak office trekam jong ke NPP kabadan ha Oakland.
Yaw ba lambor malngyang rengkat beginong yalam beginong kersan lapdiang sobhadu presiden ke NPP Meghalaya uba Preston Tensong. Rengkat kejingan lang Menteri Rangba Kejela ubalong ru National President ke NPP u Conrad Kongkal Sangma kinong ilam ke NPP ke bekentup u ba senyaw balangdhar ba Wailat Miki Shela ba Hamlet Sandoling ki MLA ki MDC bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba lembor malngyang uloong ba shimlarung syakane kaseng ba anda lapoi ki election bani khun banrem ndri urung ban pentikna bagian poi syakijing job. Ndri kin trish tam ban pentikna bak NPP kan job senan election MLA banwan na kanong kram constituency de kajingit trailang ba kajingit likum kaseng. U Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulai kublai kumikit hatmai kublai kajingshania at kong de NPP ban penkelai ke Meghalaya. Uloong bak NPP ke yang skam kanong rem ban play jingbot ak ban kentiu ki kampen roy jong kejela. Lekan turu ipat ba bagian penankam daga right to information ban wat igijik shisha ban lab layaki MLA bat MP scheme kibai gibelakan perikam hok di constituency gibabat iksensan pertai gibadan yang persya kibakam baduna ki kampenroy hagi jaka jongki. Ulapan pauru igijing artatian laki MLA ki penterikam hok na em scheme MLA haki constituency jongki.
To welcome Balambor and all his supporters, all of you who are present here today, and all those who could not come here today, to this most important program where all of you have today joined the National People's Party. On behalf of the National Committee, I take this opportunity to welcome you. Welcome to the National People's Party.
I, Kadisari Kabapura, Iba Lambor Manian, Iba Longku, Chief Advisor of the Block of the Hungary. I, Kadisari Kabapura, Hako Kajiram Jomu President. Bakili di arbo bendai buat barok kena kita jom ke blok LPP nongkrek. Bakili perniahan, bakili jalan. Ya hi barok halu kisno nikah di unit level barok. Bagila ia kabar belum yang kata kacing lek luye lusen hati luye lusen. Bangkot banwer di Palembang. Bagi island yang kecil kersan, batu banjuan seperti nakamita kalawai jom konstituensi joki Barokowe. Inyo ofiru dalam hikumukan ini tidak persiapan mengajar apa mental ni semua. Bakung Ubalang try yung nangyayin. Tong ini lang tingkat bangun rakyat yang kecingkerman nam tajuk ipalpa Banten plus yang si jom kapati yang pipi. Kamde man hiyan nanay ngaong nginya pagkiri. Ngam siyang lang hindi batang panyale bantray hindi kapati bat napoy kayo siyang ginong minyale yung kecingkerman ngimwa ang kata. Gila yang juga Ngigwa yang kecil Kung banjol Habsmat Habstin Ngasih itu Mentama PTM nya Lembaga jengpet Cuma ada konstitusi Berkejim binjar Penderang dia ngasih sih Benong Nganhi Ngansai Ringkat kinongelak hijauan.
Kisang jong kisam lapule kibakan top yakane husu bat KSU kilalat kerkot yako office trekam jong pro vice chancellor jong North Eastern Hill University nehu u professor Sumar bin Umdor bat halor kene kijingaki u pro visi ulatho shithi sha registrar ke school ba banweng no yak jinghalang jong ka executive council ane ke isi kabala thmu banlong haka khat sautarek unai wing arajar arposan ha New Delhi.
Do we accept telephonic calls? No! Telephonic calls?
Upro Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah Ba Nehu, Profesor Sumar bin Umdor, ulatho shithi show Registrar ke Sekolah Ba Banwengno ekjingyalang ke Executive Council, kabalatmu banlong haka khatsau trek unai wiang arajar arpusan ha New Delhi. Kabadi ban penyihat do Vice Chancellor Profesor PS Chukla. Kani kalong hadian bagi seng jagi kena apule kentup ikan nehusu bat ke KSU, kila persyak bagi lalit ban kier ke office jung'u. Kini kiseng jogi kena apule kila kang talaru ya ke administrative block persya ke jenghu jong ke jingelang ban penlong hadali po ke jingelam u Profesor PS Chukla. Ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association nehuta kala persya aru bat ong ba ke jingelang kadai ke jinglum ke babean dong new Vice Chancellor. Kinong ilam kan Yehuda kila kedau bo Vice Chancellor Professor PS Chokla ulajak nakakam lajan chisnam hadin gijing persya ya gijing penmi bean ya kikam kijam ke bala penia do. Kan Yehuda kala penpau bo Vice Chancellor ulapan kenya gijing yete ke bala ikut ak arpu artrek ujemang arajar arpusan bat ke officer ketenat puli putih ke Sarkar Pedang. Haka bala menjur baga jingelang jak Executive Council Delhi haka laipau terik ujemang arajar arpusan kan long jingelang ka bakaddo ban penia do Professor Shukla. Kaseng ginong hikai ka kedauru ya kesiti na katenat puli putih ka Sarkar Pedang kabla penmi ya ka arpau terik unailar arajar arpusau ke hukum bagi jingelang ke bakongsan kom ke Executive Council bat ke Finance Committee kidai ban long tang hapo ka jaga terekam jong ke skul ba.
So let me have my say. Kasyong inyale ayu. Long the students and the stakeholders are against. Ya kaban pelong isi usukla latho na do September. Kadang ka written record na share or phiru habang ong usukla bang inumla on pelong isi because kamdei ka kade sa strong opposition.
Katakan saja people na ministry in Repa. He replied to usukla.
Perutho usukla kamtre pelong isi. Wide order kamtre. Yang ala coach putrik balik sa Delhi. Kiju kibri ko bangay kendo malakapor. Habang alin sa Delhi, ngawang ki plainly ngong sir, it cannot be done because the atmosphere is very vitiated. Ha kasli Thursday apa ki phone janme, yung this has come from the highest level. Now filaban stock away. Ngalaban argue with the ministry up to some level because kani ka joke ministry ka funding. No, don't bring it now. Don't bring it
why,
now.
Sir? Why? When you can send the EC members to Delhi, why can't you think about the other welfare of the students? No, that is something that we demand, sir.
Yes.
That we should get, sir. If you can send the EC members to Delhi, then this is something that we are demanding from the students. No, sir.
Yes.
Not about playing, sir. We did football, we did basketball, we did badminton. So why not cricket, sir?
You need everything, but for that you need money. And without money from the ministry, I'm telling you, this university is doomed. But that is the reality I want to tell you. That if
Sir, did the ministry give money to send the people to Delhi, sir?
Yes, they are the funding agency.
No, sir. No, sir, no. See, money, sir, ministry gave you money that please use this particular money for the welfare of the university. It is you who said that we will be sending the EC to Delhi, sir.
Yes.
So that money you give it to the students for the inter-college.
I have done it in compliance with a directive from the ministry. I am an official of the university.
Show us the direction there. Show us the
I told you
direction.
verbal. You are not willing to accept, that's another case. You as a student, teachers organization, non-teaching organization, you as association, you can bear your chest out, you can put pressure, you can do whatever you want. Because you don't have accountability that we have as an official. When we sit in the chair, we have to think of the overall university. We
So we don't want to put pressure.
No.
We are putting pressure only for what it is legit.
You are
What is the
doing
legit
that.
of the
You are
demands
doing
of the
that.
students?
As I have
That
always
is the
said,
only thing, sir, that
as
we
I have
are
always
demanding.
said, as I've always said, you can afford to fight with an individual called Shukla.
Sir, let us be very clear. We are not fighting with anyone.
No, you are.
We are demanding our rights.
Shukla
Sir, if you take it in that way that we are fighting, then sir, you are giving us the wrong way, sir. Sir, no, it is not. It is not, sir. We are not fighting with anyone, sir. We are just here demanding our rights. And if you feel like we are fighting for our rights, then sir, come what may, sir.
In
If
5
you feel like
months,
we are fighting
I
for
have
our
done my
rights,
level best
then be
for
it in
this
that way,
university.
sir.
Okay, 5 months I've done my level best. I'm very happy and contented. If you want this to be withdrawn, I don't have the capacity, but I can write to the registrar immediately and direct him to withdraw since there are so many students surrounding me. All right, and I don't want this university to go back to the earlier situation that we have faced. I don't want. We are already, if you look at this university, everyone is laughing at us because it is becoming a scene. I don't want. I've been working quietly. You all know. None of you who work with me, the students, can say that I have not worked for this university. I've done my best for this university. But I cannot put the whole future of this university fighting with the ministry just for one individual called PS Shukla. He will go away in no time.
You are taking no, sir. Sir, the thing is, the problem over here is you are trying to say that we are fighting with ministry. We are not fighting with ministry. We are not fighting with ministry, sir. No, sir, we are not fighting with ministry. What we only want is whatever it is our rightful thing.
If we are compelling you, one more question.
Yes, sir, compelling me.
If the ministry directed you,
no, sir, no.
I'll
go and write.
Wait, sir.
No, wait.
Sir, we have listened to you. Now you listen to us.
The ministry directed you to, for the notification of this EC meeting. Yes. Then why did you communicate with Shukla during that time when we come to meet you?
Yes, sir. Why, sir? Yes. There is also a point.
Kumbaki TNI ba kajing ki dongi kelas dang nadu ni sini abi di betul ba notification bala like registrar in ba jing ai commission provisi abi di betul ba committee ba di ba sispa kena apply ba semua ban pulang te apa mau ba ni ni lapoi sya ga bekut mar ba kani keting pemerintah nakal yang provisi dekat registrar la ai ni kata kasih dan ni kata notification ba like ba ya kan ga executive committee kaman pelong apo nong badalhi ha kan khat sautrik jong ni banai manta in pesange no isgo banai kule sibon di pat di para samla kuli ya kan skol ba ki ba dan kata ka jini teli ki bala ai ti kaman gadiang apa ga gunu ko ba ka union hi ga kam harikat ke husu te skwa ban pergan mau kendiat ba habide ba ka jing pelong ni ki ki jong ni kadai be leng ba Profesor Umdor hi wong hi dalade ba haksni bang ilek kata kan sautrik jong ini penai pemerintah ilek bendu yu simlara di media ndri ga ka ba karai ka bang iyo na Profesor Umdor kalong bet ba ni hi na kalyang jong university ngimla ban isu ginu notification ndri ka basungo kalong ba notification ni kami na po university habai de ba kata ka isi executive committee ba kumjuru aba ki di notify mentah du bang haban wara ya baro samla puli jong nek skol ba hang nek klimat ma mataru de na university hi ka ba ai ya kata ka notification dikai ka ba pensungo susu kolong ni ba hot nisto ba ka kai ka ba ja po ka university jong ka dei bing ba ka jing ile kai jong ki ka tu kan ni ibriu ki bakwan mentoi smet ki ba kwa ban yar susu ya kerdan jong ka university siapo tingis ngo banong ba kai ka bangi sem ba kai ka bangi lap nyimla ban priang ban nyinem priang hiru ban nyinyai yele namanta ko hok jong ka school ba hi bro oi khanang ba school ba hi kan tiup kham sejrong te kumjuru se si bentang su banong ba tu sini di profesor Rumdor ba burom yongi khangno e university namar balai ba ni suthu ba ngimla ban penget ya usuka re kai ka ba ngo susu kolong ba menen ke janbet ni yok man ya ka sithi nei profesor Rumdor yong ba so ba plino ya ka university ka administration block te kai ka ba ni yo snow kalong ka ba hamlingo susu namar balai ba ipa hi ban khang mentai ipa hi ban play teng snow ba ka don ka air ka cylinder namar ba ha gini sini baladap komang ite bi baro ba dai sini ke babun ni sini ke sini suti nadu ka sini ba balang tar hadu sini podium te ni snow ban ong ba nakaliang jong ni ka seng harkat kan husu bat kumjuru ka jing kersan jong ki baro di samla puli badan hang ni skol ba ninong ba nang ni sekmaru min pen i ba ni don gabor om dei tang ba tang maki ki ba don bor ki balaban penyat ling ba ki jing tho jing tar ndringi pen i yak ta jing teli ki samla puli kan skol ba haba ka liang kano siliang ni rukum ka seng ringkat ka ni husu min le yak badan kam kanang ba kini jing ja ki nomor ra su apok skol ba jungi ndri kin wara de ki wepat ki balaban wara jing mutoi ke skol ba bat kam juru ban wara ke jing hun ya ki samla puli jong skol ba bat kham tam e ban kan tiu ka skol ba hi kham se jrong
Hashwa bangin kmi iki kubor ki badang sa ina phashwa shipor sha kene ki jing bana Habapai biang Shaki Kubor, Kayang Bishar District and Sessions Court, Shillong, Hakaseba Arjong Katayo, Kalashong Tian Bishar Biang, Hakabiade, Bakajing Shapin Yap Jong Raja Raghuvanshi, Hawe Saudong Sora, Bat Kayang Bishar, Kalarai Ban Shong Tian Bishar Biang, Yakani Kamukot Tuma, Haka Arphundri Tarik Unaiwi.
Kajing Bishar halor kajing Chak Penyap Raja Raghuvanshi unang wankai na Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Haga Klau Jong Hawe Saudong Sora. Kelas sedang haka katwai trek unai wiang arajar arpusan haka Yeng Shari District and Sessions Court Shillong. Habakran badu Bipin Raghuvanshi menjong Raja Raghuvanshi ulieto bau ulawan mansaki ndrei mentagasi kamshim lala ban pendap balabo trek biang haka arpun trek unai wiang. U Mukhtiar jong Bipin Raghuvanshi u Kesi Gautam ulieto baga charge sheet baga jing mudoi anega prosecution evidence kelas sedang. Latmu ban khot aduk kandai pungut kinong saki, bat kidan kibala ban syakot leng baga video conferencing ni Indore. La ban kedau bau Raja Raghuvanshi ulaja ak arpulai terik ujemang arajar arpusan hakapor buwan kai honeymoon, balalap ya kamet jegu hak ar terik ujeliau arajar arpusan. Halor kini kejingja layok ban kem ya kasonam Raghuvanshi kakurim jong Raja. Nantala kemru ya Raj Kushwaha uparlok jong kasonam, u Akash Singh Rajput, Vishal Singh Chauhan bad Anand Kurmi. Kini berok sanmut kidang don haka judicial custody. Labo iki mokok rumah hapo kikendon jong ke BNS kiba kentop ya kajing penyap kajing temu ban penken an bad kajing penja bad jing penjot ya ki sabut. Ka special investigation team kala pensisha baga sonam kada kajing edai bu Raj Kushwaha bagle sela ban penyap u Raja Raghuvanshi haka por bikiban kai honeymoon haka jela Meghalaya.
Complainant appeared before the court. His cross-examination, his examination in chief is going on. The examination could not be completed, so the court has rescheduled the examination for another day. It will be fixed most probably on the 26th.
So only Bipin was examined.
His examination is incomplete. It will take more time. The others, they will, as their turn comes, they will come.
So today is the starting of the trial, we can say.
See, the trial commences in the framing of the charge. The charges have been framed. Today, the prosecution evidence has started.
So how many witnesses you are?
See, in the charge sheet there are roughly about 90 witnesses.
90 witnesses. 90. So that means it is for a prolonged hearing.
No. Some witnesses will take time. Other witnesses are short evidence. It will not take much time.
So what do you do with the witnesses in Indore?
Sorry?
In Madhya Pradesh?
We will see. The law provides for how to tackle with witnesses who are outstation witnesses. It can be done via media, via VC also. So we'll see what is to be done. We have not taken a call on this. This will take some time. As and when the time comes, we'll take a call.
So since you are the PP, can we expect a conviction within say?
I cannot tell you anything now. It's too early to say anything. Too early to say. The trial has just begun. Have patience.
So it may take 1 year, 2 years.
How can I tell you? It's a trial. It will take its own course.
पूछताछ थी मेरी से जो की गई थी उसमें समय खत्म होने के कारण जो है मुझे अगली डेट दी गई है।
कितना तारीख को डेट दिया गया है?
26 तारीख।
तो फिर क्या आप वापस जाएंगे फिर आएंगे?
हाँ, वापस आऊँगा मैं, क्योंकि समय के कारण जो है पूरी गवाही होनी पाई मेरी, इसलिए।
तो ऐसे क्या हुआ, कुछ बात हुआ, कुछ अपडेट अभी तक का?
नहीं, अभी तक का अपडेट मुझे वैसे बताया नहीं गया कुछ।
अभी ट्रायल शुरू हुआ आज।
हाँ, ट्रायल में यही जो मेरी जो गवाही थी वो गवाही के लिए जो मतलब बुलाया गया था मुझे, तो पूरी गवाही मेरी होनी पाई इसमें भी हाल, तो समय के हिसाब से आगे बढ़ा दी डेट।
एविडेंस के बारे में कुछ
नहीं, अभी नहीं बताया गया कुछ भी।
और कितना दिन चलेगा ये सर?
कोर्ट का हाथ में दिन चलेगा वो, तो कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा।
25 तारीख के
26 तारीख।
आपको क्या लगता है कि आपका ट्रायल जब हुआ तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ट्रायल बेसिक पर आप संतुष्ट है?
अभी देखिए, ट्रायल संतुष्ट है, कुछ बोल सकता कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरी बातें पूरी हो नहीं पाई पूरी मेरी, इसलिए।
करीबन कितना घंटा तक चला अभी ट्रायल बेसिक?
1 से 1.5 घंटा।
1 से 1.5 घंटा। क्या सोनम को भी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के द्वारा पेश किया गया?
नहीं किया गया।
नहीं किया गया।
तो आज उनकी सुनवाई नहीं हुई सोनम?
नहीं हो पाई।
कौन का नेक्स्ट सुनवाई कब होगा?
पता नहीं।
कौन कौन था कोर्ट में?
कोर्ट में फिलहाल तो मैं अकेले था और कोई नहीं था।
आईओ आया था?
नहीं वो आईओ में जानते ना आईओ
सोरा
कौन
का
होता
जो ओसी थे वो आए थे, आईओ आए थे सोरा का।
है वो मेरे को दिखे नहीं वहाँ पे।
सर सोनम का जो लॉयर है उनका नाम क्या है?
आइडिया नहीं सर, कोई आइडिया नहीं।
On its way, once we get the forensic reports from the CFSL Hyderabad, we will actually be able to submit our second charge sheet. So our deadline would be probably, our timeline is probably next by first week December we're supposed to submit, but by third week November we should be submitting our charge sheet.
There is enough ground for the 3 accused also in Sonam case.
Well, let us see first for the forensic report when it comes. There's enough ground, adequate ground as of now, but let us clinch that matter with the forensic report. We've built a tight case and all that, and SIT has given a very robust charge sheet. Bail would be again, like I said, is not it does not depend on the police investigation, but it's on the discretion of the court.
Komisiben ta banyale bante lakam ya kejingwan rung bian kimenderi shapok kejala akasin kong jong katayo kaseng FKJGP Upper Shillong kalayo bat ikimenderi nakathan hinyomer Upper Shillong katba kidang tmu banit bala shashela.
यहाँ भी काम करने वाला है।
Kinongalam bagi dekat ke FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle, kali obat igi beliau beri gemenderi nak kemat ke office terekam jong ke FKJGP kemudian Hinyomer Upper Shillong. Bad haba kila-kili banyak nak igi beliau ke mchin malak kino-kino ikut kislah bentuk shisha bagi day kinong shok-shong dari India. Kumta keseng gala betha kini igi beliau ke benabari bagi day benit paino nak jaka ke bakiwan namar bagi mchin ladon igi ikut kislah ke babiang. Nalor kani ke FKJGP kala mahamjur ya ki kontraktor bagi Rishimet bertemu berwanra ya ki nong trai ki benabar ke jela ki bambiang ki kot kisla. Kamtam haba ke sarkar Assam kelas sedang biang ban kendang ya ki poiwer bagi menderi ki banagari Bangladesh.
Dan labor license double if you want yalam sini gini. Hah? One mission ni video mana pe? One mission ni one. Don sila tu one mission ni lasai. One hari office jang kasang lasai kendai je. One mission ni lasai start. Ah, rumah plan. Jaldi. Dah, शुरू करो.
क्या ये बच्चा भी काम पे लग गया?
कितना साल? हाँ?
Drink ना.
Ka Executive Committee isi jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC hapo kejalam jong Chief Executive Member CEM uba Winston Tony Lingdo hakasi balang kalale yakendu yau sembut Menteri Rangba kejala uba Preston Tensong halor ke jing mat jing ki MDC haki constituency ki badan hasor halor ke jing bomyo yaki scheme naka 15 Finance Commission jong ke Sokar Pedeng.
Ka Executive Committee jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council belam do CEM uba Winston Tony Lingdo kelekan do isembut Menteri Rangba kejelau bakmiru ekatnat District Council Affairs uba Preston Tensong. Agani ke kendo layo menekaran halor kajing baikendo deki MDC naki urban scheme bawan naka Finance Commission ke bakatsan. Menteri ula kular menkot jinggalangno ek MDC nerilom Khasi bajantia banyo menepun baik. Badulong bagajeng terwa kendai nek MDC jongki urban constituency. Layo urban pensngo lor kajing bah pisa kebari banyo naki minor but major mineral kaba kasorkar keriban Aisha council. Menteri ulong bon sepet ya kani. Nalor kini lepen snoru halor kalan title right bill, bat halor kini ke bill ke badangsa banyo gejung menjur nulat ke jela. Kenang ban penla ikipat ba banyo ya karam nak SBI. Bat ulong bakat tunat District Council Affairs kelebut dia nekani. Chief Executive Member lukentu ya kejung pelano akipisa ke badangsa ke belong san folklore ye nakah nyo folklore ke basa. Bakat dan jeng ban pentelun hikam gijam. Menteri ulong baka jeng yarap kan long bed akan durjong ke gran.
Jungi bagi DCA Preston ilayo punya keren sibun ki ye apan kenmau iyo ya last visit ke bai wan iba Shembor Ninja di ilayo punya keren ai ka we ka memorandum lu i ban sibun kenmau yang i nam tagi ki shares ki jungi bat kham tam bat kini ki jingi tengko jik joki MDC ki jungi na po urban apa bide bakti ki urban scheme ini te ila kubur hi kata bat ila ya keren ya ki ba kumbai ong ba kiri kinjat sengi gila ila khot away ka meeting man shong la bat ki ini ki MDC ki jungi board nang ni na po Jaintia Hills bat na po Khasi Hills su di ba sya khata ngani ki urban scheme ki te di parsyang iban streamline dia katu kat kum ka jingi keren jungi pada ketua ketika guidelines ke perim ke manra dan 15 finance di dia ke pementahi di ngimyala syubannya banyak penbej nama bakal ayat kelajan kudat ke 15 finance sama tahu penai di kat kebetulan ki scheme si bagi yang hapan dia tu tangkawai ke ba ila assure pada kedai bet ba ki proposal skin one bet na ki MDC ki pada ke urban constituency di mdai bakin elehi makin nakalian ka joki ndai ila ada penai assurance ngi ba kitu ki scheme si ki badai hapo ka urban hi kin one bed ka proposal na ki nakalian joki MDC concern ka badai bet ki urban areas di tai di sibenta di beta ki ba ar badai bangi keren ka long bed ha ka lor jong ka kini ki funds ki bangi ngidang sa teng badai banyo na ka state government ka badai bet ki shares kam tabe na ki minor minerals bat ki major minerals di kataru yung mangin sa epek di kapaiday pat kibay ki issues na ekran sibun ki issues di kalau kai jingi kendu ang sultanat iru ilayo an ajingot sibun yangi kung ka Khasi district council di hangit skema nang ni syakmat kai ka pangila panle kung ba ila ajingot di minister concern bangin ya contact by direct by ki secretary by ki joint secretary ki pending issues but ki kadon ko ikabel ko balangsa ka asen jong governor ya kataru ila kroy man budin but ang scam kini ki tayo gi ban sawan ni yo man pentulun ni kam ni nila ikran but iya kani ka janli pamanta kai kita jingsha kadai ka ba idei ba kalan title rights ki jongi di ketu kadai ka bill ka ba sa ka asen na governor nadu usnem balale nadu raima charajar akusau di kamdai ka major babon ya kam kadai tangi wei ni atli point iba pensuk iki nong song di jongi menta banyo ban avail loan na po SBI bank amar ka SBI bank hadu menta ki haka jinga kren ka joki ban ni la so tho ba kim patla ban ai nani ban sanction ya ke loan kam tab ya ke bidai ki para nong song ki jongi ka badai ban snai yeng kadai tang menta itai asen itai governor asen dai ngat scam ba hadin ka jingbut din jongi minister concern ni sayo ban pentelon bet yang ni ka kam ban ngat scam ki ba song ki ba avail ya kalun mag snayeng na kalian tu ke SBI kansa fall in line ka SBI ba kajing don kam jung pa kajing don kam kajungi na district council nila edon na atli meetings but hadin ka tu ka jing turwa jong sarkar ko bede ka Garo Hills di haka tu meeting ka bagi na action ba EGC but ki officers concern nga suday ban ong ba kung bakal aray ka sarkar ban bahkan kenir ka ketiga jingarap jong cash ko Garo Hills lese ka ay kung ka grande ka kung kita ki berfai kaju hi ka jingarap kan ay ang taga sa council de halor kata kan ngem mga sekren ba daki ay ngi ka share hakapor ka pabiang ni na kaliang jong Khasi sa council ngem don jingi ngi pentulon ni ka kam kata ka de ka bangala brief yi iti yung tawto ina api ka report lese na mga mapadyo ika ya ta ka report ka bide ba to ka subcommittee lese minister concern ila da ban yo ita ka report rin nakaliang jong ako CM padiyo ita ka report rin ka jingi kren ka jungi ka long bet ka basyay bet ba if at all ka government ka kuha pan ay jingi rap ka district council ko Khasi Hills sulong no ban ay lembang ka grant dani ban pelat ki share si jungi hakapor ka pabiang manginang sa kung ba nyo 100 crore ka ka pending shares ka ba state government ka hapan ai kada ka state government ko onoi kata kalau ada ban ai menakani arpo klur ka basa nakata ka arpo klur de si sanpo klur dan sa ne sa klur dan sa kada ka onoi kata ka share de jungi ka botni ngim dan kanu nu ji e pentelun di kam di jungi ha ka bedai bat kani ka kenti ba menta
Ka Jingpen Shai u Chief Executive Member uba Winston Tony Lingdo halor ke Jingpen no yaki kerdop uba Winston Tony Lingdo ula juba bahalor ke Jingpen no Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala bakila don buon ki ATM hasurok ke bathosh ki kerdop lum khajna bean hadin buwan ka Executive Committee ke bathamai ule CEM ula lan ke Jingpen no bagulong bah ke Jingpet jung u hakat tenat trade kilala mentala kam shibo ne kejung ibean ki kerdop lum khajna beto bagi kerdop kelahir nak arpulai arp sautli satang khatway nak artli menta ula pensyai bakin dai ki kerdop thamai hendrai ki dai ki belerem ki berang bishar banbo tang ki jaka ki bedai hok mentala kam ya kejing lat bean ka khajna jong ka council ula kentu ba Vincent H. Pala ban ajing pensyai dak basyai hakano kanong rembo kuno nomor CEM usngo bo mihar ki jingno jong Presiden ke MPCC.
Kajing keno ka jong iba na do bon mangi kila long ki ATM ngate ngam long aware dia kata namar kajing pet ke jongan wa fitip nga walang di CM makna ngabat ke EM trade po de sekon ngabat ke trade po de sekon so de nga sutu bit bangi lala bante lakam shibun tili giet na ki arpulai tili giet ngidang operate mentatang shipo khatway tili giet de kumlu ila ban ong bangi ngila pan kalalong ATM te kata kajing pensai ngasno ngasode ban ong yapi kum kila pathai kubor baso balik pan lekpan kajing pensai na ina mangam don e ban comment so kata
Ndra iong pat bakila ami ki mi khambun pat kita gigiet ha kapor ba essential ka PPP pak ke HDC.
Dia nujor mobi ha kapor ka ba kidon kini ki pelare kidon hadu arpulai ap south li gigiet mentang idon tang khatway khat art li gigiet te tak kita kan numbers bila susui kanu kedor ngin penbun mangi lesi ibaklai gigiet jong CM lesi ibaklai gigiet jong forest amal ku maflatif ina do bangi lawan chinti bangi ka forest ngila sim department di hakabidi ka trade ka revenue ka tang kendiat li gigiet ki bangi nang operate do mantaro hoy kumbang ong na kapor sa kapor bani snowday bandai ban bu ya gigiet kimdai gigiet sa thamai mo kwa ban ban biang kata kini gigiet sa bangi bu mangi kini gigiet sa don rupa la bun tli kisnep ngi issue baik ya ka feasibility ka joki ka location ka baki kidon ladangi snowday ban bu iki ngi bu ladangi snowday ban bu ngi bang no di kita kadi ke mga ale nakapor sa kapor di nga solingo habang i ka tuga headlines nga kapatyo ban puli ka tuga entire statement ka ba EEI takara nga ong bengi fisa isin ka ba Philippine Pichay na i ba ai ka tuga statement kin naman man kaliang ka jongate kat ka bangila na kaliang ka jongi gilayo mante lakam ni ka tuga jig ka bangi kendo di ban chukno ba mangi ka BPP ka penkala ATM te kata tengam soya dalilai ru em takara ma ombe fisa isin nga banbiang ikani subhali panjik penchai ni hakano nongrim ila ban ong kata bat balebi ong kata ru ai bagi pai ba kin chai nang ni sya khamat namar nakaliang ka jonga khamle kata bat kum ba fitip ina ki por ke bagi ada penchai limba ki RTI ke bagi la file ki RTI activist labun ina ada penchai ki taru tamba ki giet ki bangidon kam ban bu gin bu yaki tang pada nim num penbon babon kini ki snem ki bala adap in bu yaki giet ha ki jaka ki bangi snowday ban bu namar bakali ki je sung ka revenue kalabon shaba pala ka baide ba ka district council khasil district council
Kinong hikai deficit hapok kalama jongka Kasi Janta Deficit School Teachers Association hakisngi balang kelala ya kendo yo menteri ketanat puli puthi uba alak men rumboi ban pensngau halor kijing kabaki mat bat ban kerpat ke sorkar ban shem khalam na kabanta ke jingsingan kinong hikai school ha ke jilla
Kinong hikai school deficit kebren hapok kalama jongka Kasi Janta Deficit School Teachers Association Kilalit bani kendo iu menteri ketanat puli puthi ubala kemen remboi bani merjing mod halor kijing jongki. Habai keren baru ba Boswell Pala presiden ka KJD STA beto ba kadi ke kendo layo bani keren halor ka pay structure ka batmai. Kaba menteri beto ba sarkar katemu banwan ra ekur komsio kaba mai ne ka structured grant and aid kaman wara jingsingan bino hikai. Ulang bagane ka dairu namar bag sarkar India kan ubang ya ka grant nekin kai SSA hakalai poi tre uleber arjar atini. Kajin temu kalong bandan ko begur komsio ya kin kai ad hoc fourth teacher kin kai Hindi berkibai. Lakmi lenti ban pentre kamer komsio thamai na dok strek ya yong kasnam arjar apun rio. Hadian balala benwan ra ya ka hakalai poi tre uno opera. Ya ke pemerintah kilong bahkan nempat kentop ya gino hikai school deficit. Halor ke DA kino hikai kikwa ke jing pensyai halor ke jing yo tang 9% ke DA. Kad ba kinong tri sarkar pat kila kiyo sya kasan 10%. Menteri ulang bagi sarkar ke don kampor ban dunia nama ka kentop ru ya ki area. Halor ka CPF bagi jing tahu ke Board of Trustees. Ya ke bala penbenah ke sautrik unai biang arajar arpusan. Mencinai ke plan kumno ban peniat ya ka halor ke Maxims Portal. Ino kai ki kwa ban kesangi asya ke jing pentreka me ka Maxims namar ki babun ki jing bakla. Menteri ulang bagi digelenti peniat cekmat berlapa aru ke jing pensyai syau commissioner but secretary jika tak pulih putih bagi jing penkelai ke pentreka dengan Maxims kamdai pat ban penslam ya ke tulap kino hikai.
Bagi issues ki banyak keren mentan bati kidai napadeng jong ki babun ki issue ngijit sauteli kita kiba ngikwa ban pensngau hi ngikwa ban kerpat lengba jong i ya ka Department of Education ya ka government hi berok kawai ban le ai khanam ban resolve ye ki niki issues kepenengkong kadai kene ka clarity hakabe dai bat ka hakabe dai berketu jimi khubor lingba isa hiru ba kandon no tang arteli ki kategori jongki teachers tang arteli ki kategori kebaar kadai kejing pen slam bar kejing bom siu shu ye ki DA ke balong kiba ngidai hok ban yo kum ki deficit teachers kabalai kadai ka jing pen trekam no ye kene ka CPF scheme, centralized provident fund scheme bar ka basau ka kendram ka bami na kene ka Maxims Portal online submission of fund requirement kabala ban wat ban kata ya ka jing yo tulop jengi ki nong hikai deficit ru te ha ke bedai bat ka kaniga kajing pia ye kino hikai hagi arteli ki kinhun categorization of teachers isa ila ong ba consider klempem considering ye ki kinhun nong hikai ru kum ki SSA kum tater consider baik kene ka new pay structure consider baik kene ka new pay structure tangba kumbalong menta yangi ki deficit teachers kanam kata yangi ki deficit teachers ha kene ka discussion na ka menta kene ka categorization jong kino hikai we are out of the picture ngi ki deficit teachers kam kata but kalaban don hadian kata kadai ka pin don itai jingkho nyu hangiru ka igaban salong ka igaban sajen rei kumbalong menta kam kata yangi kene ka categorization ha ka bi dai bat ka jingbam siu shu sarkar ya ka DA jengi keban supentip yapi ba 90% kadai ke bangi yo hadu menta kata ka 90% kadai ke ban nadu mencem senam January arjar arfusau but what ke area jong kadai ka 90% jong kitu ki kiniat banai ke basya khmat ngimpat yo hadu menta but ngila dai ban yo ke 46 nadu mencem senam hi 49 sedang mentau senam mentaki nong tre sarkar kembang isya yo lang rekat batki kila yo 51% hendai ngimpat yo te kadai ke ba ngila pensengau hi minister kadai kajing lebeng kajing daga ketin pareng ngila banong ka dai ka discrimination persya ingi kino hikai but ngila ongi ba inle ai te ha ke bedai bat kini gedi khat sau tarik in shong jingelang bat ka Department of Education but the Commissioner and Secretary of Education Department but hantu ngin setip insepentip syangi baka ke issue ka penlong yangi kinong hikai deficit banem yo ya kani kedi ke bangidai ban yo.
I have explained to them that it is an endeavor of the government that the teachers should have a sense of security. The teachers should have, because as of now, they don't know next year how much salary we will get. So we want to have the structured pay or structured grant in aid system where the teachers should have the sense of security. Because as you know, that especially SSA teachers, by 31st March 2026, it is the government of India will withdraw the grant. So where our teachers will go? So that's why our Honorable Chief Minister have promised that we will do the necessary thing which need to be done. And for all the ad hoc food teachers, the Hindi teachers, and so on and so forth, we will have one pay structure. Yes, we know that we cannot satisfy everybody, but we have to start somewhere. Then we hope that by 31st December, we will able to come up with the new structured granting aid or structured salary, as the case may be, which will be implemented by the 1st of April. And this structure, as of now, we didn't touch about the deficit teachers as of now. After that, as of now, afterwards, I cannot say, but first we have to come into the meeting point regarding the restructure, or especially regarding the structured granting aid or structured salary for those SSA and other and ad hoc and food teachers and so on and so forth.
Kikle nong sen sharshonong na mausen ram sian RD blong hakasi balang glele yakundu yung menteri katanat boarding uba met ba lengdo ban pen paw yakijing sokya halo kijing IT hakasai computer limited ban penya yak boarding hamausen ram nakabenta ship housnem.
Kikle nong sen sharshonong na mausen ram sian RD block apo kajing lamu chairman uba hiamdo rapsang. Kile kendo yung menteri pinmi boarding gejela uba met baling do ban pensno wigijing sokya halor kejing IT pat kejing priat boarding hamau senram. Haba kerani kelal patai ku bor chairman uletu bahaka senam arajar ka kendai ke MEPDCL kelete baga company Fitco ban peniat ka kam boarding hamau senram na ke bentash posnem. Ndri hadian ndriu na nyu senam ki pat ba klamat shibun kejing e nama kejing dan artli ki bor peniat kata ka Fitco bat ke MEPDCL. Namar gini kejing ke MEPDCL kalapun kot no kejing ete baga Fitco. Ndrai hak strik unai wiang arajar arpusan kenda tip ki borsnong lapen mi ek notification ban IT pad kejing peniat ka kam boarding syakawi ka company ka Sai Computer Limited na ka bentash posnem. Kani kesenjok ka keno bagani kejing pekala company mamana ka por ka penkala langknya yakinong mo senram. Kila kentu joru menteri ban pendam no kejing temu ban IT syakino kino ki company. Kila dawa bagi MEPDCL ke deban cimti hino ban peniat kejing sam boarding namar kejing penkot kejing ete abad ka Fitco ka penyisai ba kejing IT kam sesok satya. Uba hiamdor ula keno ru ba namar kejing dan ki company inong syakshno kamau senram kemyo iki scheme nak sarkar preng kom ke revamp distribution central scheme bat ki scheme boarding belas sedang nado ka sobhagya bat ka rural electrification. Kila syu no shiteng ki contractor ikini. Kijing akum ki transformer bam tere kamru ki penkhanglat yagi yeng thamai banyo bantan boarding shwaga Christmas ne ka senam thamai.
House nem ajar ka kendai. Long barabor ya kenika subdivision juga musnam. Lapanyaj bet daka MEPDCL. Andre ho ajar ka kendai. Ho ajar ka kendai pat kila penlong ya kenika public meeting ki public hearing pan sengotho bagi don jimot pan IT no syakanika Fedco syakanika wika teka company Fedco di bat kanika contract bat kanika company Fedco kedai kumbang ship house nam bat hadian jo kita kajingnya penlong ki public meeting ki public hearing ban sengotho yu pajba na kalian jo pajba wong ulai menjur bahakin priang ya kenika Fedco. Ya kani kecing terwa berpetrikam kini ke Fedco kala jiaru kisnong ki pamarjan kum kini ka Mokurat division ro handrai ni sotho bahapo Mokurat kim simla manle tentang bari kiwi pat kijaka tenre po muslim kani ka Fedco kala yo ban simti na du snam aja ka khandai ti hapeng jo kini ki hindriu nyu snam ki balaya kum ki patba kisnong ki thau ye kando shipun ki jing e akabe dei bat ka jing panya chongka Fedco hakaweli bekani kejing sam bekani ke boarding electric syakali ka dong ka than kejungi ti ke ei ka bajia
Ngiru ngim tiap ai na kaliang jongi kum kas jok kinong sunchar nong bat kiwi kiwi kisnong ro ngim dot jik tiap ai kadai hakashi tarik penban ba kani ketenat MEPDCL kala penkut no ya kata ke kontrak bat kani ka Fedco hakati ka tarik bat kila penmi ya kata ke notification ro hakati ka tarik hi bala IT sya kata ke Sai Computer Limited mo ti kani ka penbu yangi hakajing lengo kum ki nong sunchar nong bat ki pat ba baro ba nalo ba kita ki hindriu news nem kiba kajing terikam juga Fedco kadan shibun ki kenrum kenram mo bat kajing bom ya syai kajing bom ya ngotho nama galong pembegitan artli kibo kawai ka Fedco ka balpet na mata ka distribution kawai pat ka balpet na kalian jongka ni katanat MEPDCL mo kini kita na pomusra kai kajing syam jong ki pat pa galong babon sien ha bagilen bagi kendo i kajing bagi kajing don kam ki babon na Fedco kin kenyat cek MEPDCL na MEPDCL kin kenyat cek Fedco bat kumta kala ya ke po bat kat hadu ngisung thu ba kala penlong ba kani ketran MEPDCL menta kala hap ban penkut no ya katik kontrak bat kani ka Fedco hakashi trik jong menta uprai November ande ke penlong ko kalong pada klaim ka jing tip jong ngi kum ki dobas nong kum balale haswa ban IT cek Fedco la IT by direct siya kata ka Sai Computer Limited saka way pat ka company ki bangam ju tip kani ka company ka long kumno henry la IT London bet saka bat ka contract bat kani ka Sai Computer Limited ru kan long sakumba ship house nang ni siya ti ni kwa bane thu hang ni bahapo Meghalaya borokaway lapet dake MEPDCL henry hapok khasi Janta Hills tang ka Mosram subdivision la IT shake company but hapok Karo Hills kemot tang ka Fulbury bat ka Nangal Bibra bat ang taga Dalu tang kita gi lai telikisnong bat hapok khasi Janta ka molong tang ka Mosram tika ka pangilamat ha ka jingide bat kani ka company Fedco ngi sutho ba kidon shibon ki kendrom kendram bat ki jingi bos bom ya sutho ba ki jingdu nong nagalang jogi patba saman tapat nagalang jogi tanat sashi post nem kamut ban IT sa kanika company ke batmai Sai Computer Limited tingi wan hang ni mata ban pensngau how minister in charge iba medba lengdong ban nakaliang jong ka sunjuk joki clean of sun charge no jong ka Mosram Scenery Block East Khas Hills ngile shong meeting ha ka live waiting jong October ha ka sandrik jong November ba ngin wan ban bo kacing kerpat how minister bagi department ba ban kentu ya ban kentu ke sarkar ba kamdesho bandang beteng bahkan IT shaki company ngi kwa ba kum balek lang kiwei part ki subdivision hapo Meghalaya lani hapo khasi Janta Hills yang ngiru kum ka Mosram ngi kwa ba ka department MEPDCL kan shimti hino dalade namar ngi la sngo thaj ban ong ba ngim tip mo ka ka banja ki di suppose na filale experiment ha kini ki hindru nyo tulis na mimat ikata ki jing te samanta suppose na man sign contract bat kani ka wi pat ka company ngim tip ka banja mo ngim tip ka banja bat ka wi ka mangi ki sutho ka long bit ba haba ka penkut no ika contract ka bumot ka jing tray ka sneo mo ka lap ba ka dong ka jing sneo haba ka sneo kumta ka jing IC company bali bidang peteng biak ban IC company bat lada ka baha kata ka kam balani ka pani onong ya ke department bali phim ai lang sigibi gisnong bali gibi gisnong phim laban ai bali menta phim nuan le trial menta ya ka do basno muslim bat sakawai ngim la bat sngong thu kumbang UI ki khubor ki ba mensua na ka por kani ka department ka kham ka lan hadu kata kata mi kum ki riu pat ba kum ki leman ongno kita ki technical problems bat ki ngim la bat sngong thu bat ngim la ban tip bat ngim la ban suthu ladangin yang ngam jeliu sya kani ka department hendrai ha keju ka por ke ka baja ke ka balong bat kani ka department ngim la ban tip dei tang ka wei ka long mit ba ngim kwa ban long lang kenya ke ngim kwa bu pat ba jong kani ka dong ka thai mo sunam un long lang kenya ha ka bei dei ba kani tingi kentu ba kani ka sorka kan sngobha ba kan penkut no ya ka bei dei ba ka jing ICG company ai ba katrat MEPDCL kan shimti hakabat pania ya kali ka jing soundboarding hakani ka dong ka than ke jumi
UMLA Kamaukarwat constituency uba renik tanling do tongkar hagas ngi palai jong katayo lalit jurep yaki surak hagasnong mountain ban pet yaki jinglong jingman bat kamtam ban yo ban maramot yaki surak nakabenta ban pedang yaki jinga seng presbytery jong kabalang presbyterian kaban long haubena rumpang arajar arphon rio bat ka jinga seng crusade haubena leber arajar arphon rio.
UMLA Kamaukarwat uba renik tan lengdok tongkar haka kalai terik unai wiang hajar arpusan ulalit hiar jurep isurok snong hak snong mountain kumsi benta ban penkre ke jingwan jiki artli ke jinga seng he haka ni snong kata ke jinga seng presbytery jang kabalang presbyterian hau benai rempang ke senam hajar arpun rio bagi jiseng crusade hau benai leber ke senam hajar arpun rio. Hakini ke jinglet jurep le dan lang executive engineer katanat PWD Roads Maukarwat Division uba ji enong siet USDO katanat PWD uba bishela lambat kiwedi ki officer jong le katanat bat kumjuk kinong elam snong bat kinong elam balang na kisnong mountain. Habakrani kelak patai kubor uba renik ton leng do tongkar le thu ba ke jing temu jungu rengkat bagi ni officer katanat PWD balik jurep ini ke surok kalong komsi benta ban penkre bat ban penbit penbiang ke surok haswa ke jingwan jing ini ke artli jing seng he hagasnong mountain. Lihaturu menapedeng ini surok kiba katanat PWD kelepen krek kilong ban maramot ki surok snong kibala dan lupa bat kumjo ru ban sna surok thamai hakikat to kini benta jong snong na kabenta ka jing biang jong kipat ba. Hakawai pat kaliang uba renek ton leng do tongkar ulai kublai kerpang hi kipat ba jong snong mountain halor ke jing jensur mensim jong ki kablong ru kenuk sa na benta ki wai pat ki snong hakatan barakari kasih brokawai hakaba kim shimla benut satya ban ai ki per ban chna surok na kabenta ka jing biang jongki pateng manwan
pengiwan ban pet igri snong na kabta kri jibel kre igri jiseng ki artli jiseng ki bakam he ki ban long kri snong in yo ya ka presbytery ho banai February in yo pades ya ka Bible Society ho banai March ti gisngu thu ba kini ki artli jiseng ki ba he bar artli ti karon kam hadu ta na kleng jo ka sarkar ki bangin yo ban pet ban bah ya kini ki lenti kisenkin ya ka ba la kam slam ke snong hoaj don ka repair sisin house nam hajar khatpra khandai ke bangile yo ban repair ke snong berkawai ni surok pedudi te hadin kata ngi kem da don shu hi ka no ka ban yo ban le repair te metala nriu news nam kan the ke ba la ya kipor te de kata kadau ke ba ngi sngo don kam ban yo ban le repair ban sngo men ru na ke le department ke ba kala ya cha prang ban kre kidon ro tukar ne kisrok thmai ke bai don kam ban le watla kati kabalap ngile keren berkini ki officers na department ya ke bain persang kati kabalap ban le la ngila ban le ki ba thmai ke tukar ne ro tandai ke kam kalong kini kisrok krim ke badon lepa ya ke bagi yon pen bah nam ta ke jeseng ti sekolah ku blai ke jing ya trelang na ke ling ju ki rurang ba ju ka snong hi na ka kapor pat na ke department ro kan ni kisnong moten kan kawai na kisnong ke bala ai kan uksa ka bah ka jing don kilenti kisenkin ki babiang ha ki wai kisnong ki bon ki jing ya ke bateng teng wetang ke jaka ru omyo ten ri kan kisnong moten kala bu kan uksa ka bah hadu kata ha ke bala don kam mansna surok ki pajba ki ju ai be wat la ben pendu ki per ki ju ai na ka pos tis ko ai ku le shibun ya kan uksa bah ha ka be kan kisnong moten kala bu kan ka dong tanjungi beri ki tiru ya ke bangila ban le kumta na kapor bar kaleng sarkar kan yo ke jing trelang na kaleng kapor snong ya ke bangin yo pendep ki jing tre ke bang temu ke bang mut mon pen bah nam ta ke jeseng bar ki ti ke jeseng kalong bajok ta ke jing la ban bersnai ke ti kin kenam kinawan jeseng kin no mat ke jing jo jing sakot kali
Ki he officer bat engineer jong ka PHE Maukarwat Division hakasi ba ar jong ka tayo kilale jurip ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka scheme JJM hakashnong penden diwa ka bahab Southwest Khasi Hills District bat kila shem ba ka jing pentre ya ka scheme kalalong ka bayat bet ya renti
Executive Engineer ka PHE Maukarwat Division uba nong basau rengkat baru SDO PHE Maukarwat Subdivision ba Aikar Budan baru GE in charge ba pi merthong haka katwe trek unai wiang arajar arpusan kilalet jurep eksnong pendan diwa haka district Southwest Khasi Hills kumsi benta ban bodien lor ke jing pentrei ke scheme Jal Jivan Mission haka ne eksnong ya ka bela pentrei haka jing lot ke bakot kombah ndro pu arlak tengka bat ka baliok ban pendap haka pratrek unai wiang Hagani kejeng jurep lalap bagajeng pentrei ya ke Jal Jivan Mission hagasnong pendan diwa kelalong ke bajob. Hakabah kumbah nyupui teli gilong yeng kilayo ko umam di kebabiang bentuk South League School Lower Primary, Art League School Upper Primary, Kawai School Secondary bar ke Anganwadi Center. Kani kesenong kilayo aru igajing itu kum ke Har Jal Village kababaro kilong yeng bagi jaka aji kai kilayo lut ko umam di. Nagaliang kinang ilam senong bagi patba akil ai kejing kublai ke bekerpang yo menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi kubala penyo agani ke skim barkil ai kublai ru ke office u executive engineer ke PHE Mokorwat kabala penbit penbiang kejing nang kambaro ak bedai ba kejing penteri agani ke skim. Uba kinong besar hoba ajing keren ula penpau kejing so kuban ke bakrau bani i ba kejing penteri ya ke Jal Jeevan Mission ha ke senong pendan diwa kelalong ke bajob. Ha ke bakilong yeng baro akilayo asisya kejing mentoy leng ba kene ke skim.
Berita marbanyang ngade akan wadi bakreng leha. Penen diwa. Dia nadu bang yo ya kene ka JJM ngila kamsuk nama rahapor menchua bompadon kane ni haplet sat le kling hang thi ha wa bun kitiar kila ja hang to po manrei metang la yo kane ngila kamsuk bat haba slap ka beneng ru haba menchua klempat yo ya kane ka JJM ni satiara te haka wa pat kalong jungut rei mentapat ladon kani top te ngila kamsuk tangkata
kane ka skim klalong ke jimen toy bakrau na ka benta kilong ying kilong sam tenga soban ai kublai kerpang na ka benta Prime Minister Narendra Modi bat ekatat PHE mau kerwat kabala penyo ya kane ka sanction hapo kane ka song ka thau ka jongi Shua ban pentre ya kane ke skim. Na kaliang jong ka PHE department kalayo ban wan survey hapo kane ke song ka thau ke jongi. Baradin balayo ban pendep ya kane ka survey baro layo ban bu ya ka sanction. Bat shua ban ai kontrak ban pentre kam ya kane ke skim ban pentre ya kane ke skim hapo song ka thau ke jongi. Na kaliang jong ka WWC kala ai ka jing menjur ya utau kontrak lanai utau nok pentrei jong kane ka snong ka thau om tang kata ka WWC rengkat baka snong baro ka weng layo ban ya pen baitlang na ka benta ban pen mi ya kata ka 100% kum kadak ban ya trelang na ka benta ban pentrei ya kane ka skim bat shisha kane ka skim kalong ka bamantoy hadu kata-kata
Dakijing temu banyadai ki dok kha ki badan hakiwa hakathain ranikor ki re rangba ki ba e yakakam khwai dok kha ki la seng yakasinjuk kinong khwai dok kha ranikor civil subdivision dakijing temu ban te lakam bat ban penne pensa ik do do wa ki badan hakathain
Hadian balasaki bahakathain ranikor bagi dan katuan gi patba gi bamdan kejing iet nek jing snosen asia yaki do do wa aga babun sien gi jupan yap yaki daga baberbi daga basiat bom panhap jar bat ki hibai ki rang ba jong than ranikor ki ba yet ka kam khwai kum shi benta ban te la kam bat ban pane pansa yaki do kha ki la sang ya we ka sang ga tip kum ka sinjo ki nong khwai do kha ranikor civil subdivision yakani ka sinjok la sang hak arter urisau arajar arpusan ba jing temu jong ka sinjok ban sang yakani ka kanhon kalong ban penne yaki jing tau po bat ban penroy ya baro gijat doom hakiwa ki bahe bagi warit ki badan than ranikor ban pesuto ki pada kum no bagin iet ka mariang leng ba kajing penne ki jing thau ki badan po bat kum jo ban penlong ki jingelang ban pesuto pada ha baro ki than joga ranikor subdivision tanggata kasunjuk ka danru ki jing temu baleng ba ki wa an penlong ru kum kawai kalat kamai ki pada joga ni than khamadin habut kumtak senjuk kalakang persya ban penyap ya kijing tahu po habaro kuwei Ranikor civil subdivision nado igiwahe iwaret daga batong tensong kawang lane penhabjar siat bom lane som gidokha hakapormiet bat baro gijat dawai bi bala mahap teng eru bala dalap ikibele persya senjuk kan berjistom kat kum ki kendon an
ni lakanglat no ya baro kijaji penyap jubor ya kijat doum habaro kawai katai yung karan kata along nadu batong tensong penabru kawang lani penhabjan nusiat bom lani sum yakidok pon menmit barbaro kijaj dawai bi balong bi hapo kata kalong ka thong ka jongi kum senjuk bangi de bana batadin kata ni la yakut ba insya tang ban wai sak pampai bat adin jo gajing ya kren ya tai sani nas nade ban jit yaki nong hitam yang sendiri nang ni sakman nilai ikut ban form no ya laki jongi unit aman laki dong nang bakar kamsuk kor komputam sibuk nuk sam takum kadong ka area ran ko non kami ini kanona laka jonga unit ka umpung laka jonga unit ka hanglon nong di berkunta terster kan ba kam de ka jitu mu ka jongi ka kam de tang yakini ki iwa an ki pot ki bangi ajer kita hande ya paro nadu ki wa rit kumbang la kada wa ka jitu mu kalong bahas kiwa ba kiwa do ki badan apa jongka Ranikor Civil Subdivision min persang ban protek lain ban yada ban pendek ban besar kemudian adu ki dolon ki semprong adu ki wa adu ki dokha di ba kan bangila Deka nakal yang kejongi kung sejuk kejukwa kejongi kalong ba ni khot yan namar kata ya ki pajba nong senong jong ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision nim ong kidna kana kana kejaj benring nim ong kana kana kejaj benring ni khot ya kejaj trelang namar lada lam kejaj trelang jong pajba ni sutu bangin namlak banai milong tang kung kinom pen mau mereka di khot ke berkedi kwa berkedi anut kejongi kalong ba ya ki pajba nong senong jong ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision ban yasno pirang kat dan bani sejuk ban ulong namar ni sutu baka member yang kadai ketolong kajing im kajongi kun benreu badu blairu labu namar kata ya ka badu labu yangi bangilong tangkun ilong isordar jongka
namar ba nga gade we lagi long kwai ba hatu ski ngali kwai te warilang te don tu gi nong krong ban san tho ka ki sim ko bai li khwai war lang panga kli balai bi sim kan diga bai krong li khwai aju bab la ki ko long bang sim bangin pet no ai frontier pan ya ka war lang aset bom hab ja pa tum ta ter te handai ko susit la kaliang jongi ngi tip ba la kaliang ti nong krong te gi khu bang hadu menta idon gi nong set bom yo te war lang om bak set ka por meski hali set ha ka por ben mir Kena kaliang joki volunteer bulan hotel sistem yang kiban lagi korumit yo si kan mi kan dogo cimun sao kata kata gila ta ni so bawa penyarap lem pen film te hani po so man ong kerpa yang ting no set bom barbor sili sir korumit so bawa sagi no dengan dia set bom ani syakma so bawa Thailand bagi kum ka sunjuk nang bagi yo penroi penroi di do bawa Paraju ka poru senter ka warilang ka hab tu nong na station neng hadu mentar bidon go penhab jar man kasi man kamit hang tay don ka we ka thoi nyang pon yu ong ya ka brit ya ka jar nang tay hadu mentar kim parsai men sir ibu men mir ibu tengiru nakaliang jangi ka sujuk ni salik kreniti yang tay bagi senge no mardor ya kan diga penhab jar ni trilang bagi kum ka astunjuk te nakaliang ngam to ni re hak ba kudu soman ai kubleru ya civil civil ya wa le trilang bagi mo sa banu ai musim yang ni gateng ya bagi niat squad yang tangan dia tong tak
Umentri rang ba kejala ukan rat kisangma hakala sking blay jong katayong ulale jurep ya kejingte ya ka Eklavia Model Residential School EMRS hakashnong ladkur bat ya kejingte ya ka Madan Artificial Turf hakashnong lat japlem kabahap haka Amlarem Civil Subdivision West Giant Hills District
Haka shipho tarik unai wiang arhajar arpusan umentri rang ba kejala Ukon rat kongkal sangma renggat kejung senran lang umentri ke tanat pulih putih ubak lah kebed remboi kiha officer sarkar ki kliat nong sensyar bagi nong ilam senong kilelek kmi kejung nong jengman jong kejung sena ya ke Eklavia Model Residential School EMRS bala syam ba kurkom sena ke kejung tay kalakot syakah nyopo nak sispa haga ben pendap kejung tay ya kene ke projek ke bah kejung lot ke bah saupusan kelor tengka kedai ke belabei dengan National Education Society for Tribal Students apok jong ketenat Tribal Affairs ke Sarkar Pedeng. Balapan terekam da ke Webcos Limited New Delhi. Ukon rat kongkal sama urong basisian balapan dap ene kejing tay ke EMRS kan penyiar kejing ai jing pulia ke bapakai samla pulia reulum batkan kelalong ke slem na kebentak imlang salang bag kejing roy jong kejing nang jing start akat han. Ula betha iki kontraktor bari ketenat ke bedai kemi ban penkloy ke kam ke benang sa kenang bekas skul kan nak ban terekam purano hakas nam arajar arpun rio. keban ailat ki kena pulia ban sedang ya kijing pulia juki klaim kano kajing penslam show. Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulelit jurip kajing snai kamadan artificial turf hagesnong lat japlem amlarem bat penpau ya kajing hun ya kajing yat bed ka project badiro ekokom snai bagerukom penuan dore kena kamadan nilai kai football. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulah penpau kajing kerman baka project ansalak ban pendep notion bat kalong kajing mentoi kisamla bagian pentebet dia ladi haki kamel akai bat ulah ban juru kajing kut jengmut jaka sarkar ban penslur ya ki kamel akai ban kentiu kisamla ban peniadan bentai kisnang kitau kamtam haba ki jakai akai kin sandur kisab bat penklan ya ki kamel akai hakathan.
So now we are here in the Amlarem Subdivisions Association football field. And this ground is, as you can see, this is the project of the artificial turf that is going on, and it has come out really, really well. There are many such projects going on throughout the state, and we expect that this should be complete and we should be able to start having the football matches by March of 2026. So it's a great project, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work out here. Thank you so much.
Menteri Rangba kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulelit ru penjurip ya kejaran PHC kebadan Amlarem ha ke district West Gentle Hills. Ha ke bamenta lakan tiu kerdan no yaka syaka civil subdivisional hospital bagi jingtai kene kejaka sumar kelayat bahasa kemat balak midinti ban pendep kloy no yaka na kebenta ban ajing sumar kebabiang ya kipat ba kathan. Ha kene kejing jurip ledan lang Menteri Sarkar bakmi ekatrat puli putih balak men remboi ki he officer sarkar ki doktor ki nurse bat ki kiwai.
Now here where the PHC was here in Gentle Hills in Amlarem, and as you can see, this has been now upgraded into a civil a subdivision hospital, and the work is going on, and the construction is going on at full pace. So we're very hopeful that this will also be completed very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Hashwa bangin kimi iku kubor ki badang sa ingnya pai biang shwa shipor sakeni kijing penbana. Ke kubor saja singin penken mau ya kemat bakongsan jong ke kubor mentak tayo. Menjur ke sarkar jela banti live hausan akar ke jaka hatin ring bantai ya ke central jail. Yo jamin presiden bat langut kit kod ke MCTODA. Enwanra ke sarkar ya ke an bantai lakam ya ke jingken no mention no ritlan bat aiksu ong ba polling do. Ke jing sya penyap uraja Raghuvanshi en sedang ketian bishar Hashilong Court. Kentu UCM ke KHDC ya Deputy Chief Minister ban pelait no ya ke pisa ke basan folklor ban halor ke Grand MDC Sor. Jurep Menteri Rangba ya ke jingte ya ke EMRS bat madan artificial turf ha Amlarem. Bat shimbenta shirhem kipai riunget Catholic ha ke procession Eucharist arajar alposan ke balong chisin chisnem. Hakasi palai jong katayo Menteri ke Sarkar ubak kami katanat Community and Rural Development CNRD ubak sosteni sotun ulapan penapat ba balapli yaki live hoteli ki Erisel Spinning Center Haribhoi District dak jing temu ban kentiu yaka kam thanjan bat ban kentiu ru yakalat yok kam yok jam.
Banang kentiu syok ka kam thanjan yaka district Ribhoi bat ban peloi ka kum kawe ni kilat ai kam ai jam yaki babun. Haka kalai terik unai wiang arajar arpusan Menteri ketenat CNRD ubak sosteni sotun ulapin benapat ba balapli yaki live hoteli ki Erisel Spinning Center ba penbiang ru daki machine menteriksai haga distrik Riboy. Ya kini kejeng penmena naga benta kejeng play patba ikilai potili ki Eri Silk Spinning Center, lapan bena lang ba kejeng play ya kawe ki Eri Silk Spinning Center kisnong kensir kabahap opo kajirang CNRD block. Ha kabala penbit penbiang lang ba ki bor peniak distrik Riboy, rengkat kejeng etrai lang bat ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, bat kejeng kerjaan da ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited lang ba ka CSR project. Hagani kesngi kebensakan mau no kebenta kinong Tanjan jo kisnong kensir. Lasa kilang da kejeng dan lang Abilash Baranwal u Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Riboy, u Mukesh Ranjan Executive Director ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited, u Raja Brahma Project Director, Dr. Hajong BDO ke Jirang Block, kirurang ba katahan kilong kemi na kisnong kensir bat kibai-kibai. Habakran na kanigasngi na kaliang basas tenis soton kumunang mi kemat ke Jirang, bat kumu menteri ketenat CNRD, ulai ke jingiro, ya ketenat Jong Office u Deputy Commissioner lembat ketenat MSRLS bat ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited, kibala shimkia ban penurlong ya kani kejing ang nuat ban kentio ke Kam Tanjan, ba kejing penmi syok ya uksai rendia lengba kini ki Eri Silk Spinning Center, kibat penmentoy kinong syong-syong. Ula kedauru ba ka distrik Riboy ni kuwain kita nya kajela kabala penmi shibun kijan ke bacutan di kisai rendia. Bat kajingla ban penmi ya uksai rendia kumta lengba kum kini ki skim ni kilat jingerap lengba ki bor sarkar bagi company beper kan pelat balai mensium bat kentiu shikadai kinong Tanjan ki emja kepo na kane kakam.
Well, whatever help we are getting, what I feel as a local representative, it will be helping for the women's groups, the farmers, the artisan farmers, who will be getting the benefit through these machines. And I was told by a deputy commissioner that the artisan, the worms that we are selling, it's most of are the cocoons, what they call young reindeer. We are selling to the other state of Assam, and the price that we are selling, it is at the rate of 700 to 800. So, and the quantity that our area is producing, it is in large quantity compared to other areas. So what I feel as the local representative, we are getting the support from the IOCL, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We are getting the support with all these machines, which it will help you increase the income from that 700 to 800 per kg. It may increase up to 4,000 or 6,000 according to the quality. So I would like to congratulate first the administration and the IOCL, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, for giving the support to the people, to the artisan farmers of our district.
Kabiat Tikram Group Shillong hakasin ublay jong katayo baladem kalapan long hakasin kabaar yaka Remembering the Maestro kum shibanta ban kin mauburam ya unong tawi ke Surgeon Rai Usachin Dev Barman hakaba kipai nong petkai kila dakajing singutenan.
Haka kandai terek naiwiang arhajar arpusan lasam yaga SD Barman Memorial Biatigram Lifetime Achievement Award cawnang tem bapau kejela Meghalaya baru di Walang. Komisi benta benajing itu ekejing nok senyang jung syakatem kaput hakari India. Uba Rudi Walang loyo pediang ini pusnam nikiti jung ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar ublero uba Rudi Walang halo kejing tebet jung hakaliang ketem kaput. Ulat kejela ulat kentu samla bagi dewan pai kemat bagi mensiam nok SD Barman bat uba Rudi Walang ban kentiu kejing bahajeng niat kejing rangkat lang bagi kejing sokya ya kemai mariang lang bagi kam jengki bat ajeng modru ya ka Biatikram Group ban seng ya ke Music Academy kum kadak ban sakan mau yu SD Barman bat kam tam haga ban sandore ke sap kapong jengki pateng bandang wan la ban pen kan mau hang ni ba u Sachin Dev Barman ude we nong thau ki sorjeng roi bapau haga ba ki pat ba nong pet kai ki sultanat ba ban pet ki jeng roi ki jeng u.
Kum shibanta jong kejing rakhi ya ka kwaskwi centennial ne kejing dap shispa arposan snem jong ka sengkhasi hakase uble jong ka tayo baladem ka sengkhasi kala penyeng yeki mau benna ha ulom sopet beneng ubadan ha umyam Ribhoi district.
Hakenik jing peniyang ya mau benar dan langulat kejelau CH Vijaya Shankar usumbut Menteri Rangba kejelau Pak Presiden Tensong Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Ubala Kemen Rembui Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture Ubasan Borsulai kinong elam keseng khasi beginong elam nikisnat beper na keleng kerilum khasi bat jentia. Ya pelat sopui tili mau benar ladap peniyang haunu ulum bekentang nikisnat beper keseng khasi kemujengkan mau history bekerpang jang keseng khasi ya gabalasang ngak arpulai trek unai wiang kesenam syajar praspa kundai hasilong hapo kejing betin lenti jong babu jibon roy habagaran kejing elang ulat kejelau la banjur bagajing penek pensa kemariang kedai shibenta jong kalariti kejat benriu riu luam ka Meghalaya kamtam hapdeng kipat khasi ke merengkat kejing dai bejan bagi klau jaga bagi jing dan jing em tenrai de kebasyem bagi di jing ai sengop ha jong nong bu nong thau ulong bagi mau benar kem dai tang ki mau dai di dak jong ke jing long kentang ki bami kemat de jing beteng ke jing klan bagi jing ken mau ko ba em jing long shwa man shwa bar ula banjur ke jing dan kam maniat rengkat bagi jing ya caprang ke jok bagi jing long tenrai pat bat ke jing nget ke batik briu te blai ulat ke jelau ai ko blai ke seng khasi ha ke jing kenjo yo mau mer bat unget scam bakane ke jing rake dap shispa arpusan snem kaniai penklan ya kejing singo sorong ya la kalariti kejing teli ba kejing penek pensa ya ki barem baja
ne kejing sno jong ka long briu ba ka long ble kumta ka borble kame hukum kalaiki kala tempat kala penso hal hiu rengkat kalongyam long kom kaloriti kalong dustur ya bala pensiong norim hakabor jong katib hok tipsop tibriu tiblay tipur tikha bat ka akor ka burong.
So you signify that it signifies so you look like Tirot Singh. You look like exactly like Tirot Singh. Patukan Sanma and also you look like Kiamno. Then I play Saisisin Pat Yapi Paro, it hot Jonkasen.
Religious background of this place, social background of this place, cultural background of this place, all your sentiments, all of your sentiments, carry with this hill. So in that way, it is my opportunity. After I come here as a governor after 14 months, every day, whenever I used to travel to Guwahati, all the times I see
Hakasri ublay jong katayo kabaladem. Daki hajar ngut kipai riunget jong kabalang Catholic naki parish bapher kilawanya shimbenta shirhem haka procession Eucharist arhajar arposan kabalalong haka ying mani cathedral hala imkra bat kiriunget kile shimbentaru haka banyayak procession haka leng jong kanomba shulong.
Ki padrunget kabalang Catholic ni ki parish bapher haka kandai trek unai wiang arhajar arpusan. Kilawan bani shimbenta shirhem haka procession Eucharist arhajar arpusan kabajulong mana kasnam. Kabalalong haka ying maneba ka Maria kanongerap ki Kristan hala imkra. Ya ka procession ba lasdang na kamas bakot kablatrawa do Bishop Bernard lalu auxiliary bishop ka jelan yang ba shilong rengkat kejingdon lang u Archbishop u Reverend Victor Lingdo kiwe kilingdo soblay kiriuniam najan manajengai bekipat ba ki babon belawan ni lightly ki jalan yang ba ka shilong nongston ba jawai ka procession ka sedang ya kajingya procession Eucharist ka porsche biji steng mensni na dan keti ha ka balalam kemat degading pena balaya terter Shasin Edmonds Fire Brigade lan kra Police Point Don Bosco bat penkut biang ha Calvary mentaga senam ka jalan yang ba shilong gelabo ya ka phang jong ni senam jong kejing peniasuk ha kabahakan ni kesini layor uman pelat ke Siti Sharai dagi bishop ke belabu ke senam arhajar arpun rio kum ke senam jongki parabangai.
Dikit artali masyarakat bangsa. Jadi no banyak tambah. Berarti sama coba punya kamu kemudian dengan kita sebawa kami aja ada bakas dengan no baru bisa kami ada bangsa. Jadi dikit artali kita dulu ya betul no. Ini artali ada beberapa Jadi dapat foto kirimkan yang kedua. Pak Bidang deh itu apa namanya sini-sini. Pak janganlah sebenarnya beli yang seperti. Tadi kata kapor, coba warna beli itu. kebagian volunteernya sebagian visit saja.
Te para lok baro da kita ke kubor ngila poi shi ke bakut jong ke kubor jong mi mentah ke janmir isa syam yang bat pi la syam kayo kublai shi